Hey, I'm Alex with MRCOOL. I want to show you how to connect the pre-charged line set to the DIY condenser. First step, removing the side panel. So now that we have that set aside, we'll connect the line set. We'll start by hand. It does require a little bit of manhandling to get that line set perfectly aligned with the valve, but once you do, it's pretty easy. Okay, gonna switch over to the wrenches. And it really is this connection that makes us a DIY heat pump. Super simple, straightforward, no complicated or expensive tools or gauges. Once again, we're gonna start by hand. Okay, that's looking good. Just a little bit further, and we're good. Okay, so now that we have the line sets connected, we're gonna open the valves. And to do this, you need a 5mm Allen wrench. If you don't have one, you're in luck because in every box, we have a MRCOOL. It's a 5mm Allen wrench that you'll find in every box. Every DIY we sell has one of these. And turn that counterclockwise as well. This is a single zone system. If you were doing a 3, 4, or 5 zone system, you would also have to open the king valves. See your manual for further instruction. Okay, so now that we have the valves open, we're going to do a quick test of these connection points and make sure that there's no issues. So we've got a soapy water mixture here that we're just gonna apply, and we are just gonna watch and see if any bubbles form there, and it's looking like we're pretty good. If there are any bubbles forming, you're gonna wanna close the valves and retighten that line set, open the valves again, and then retry the spray test. Okay, so we're gonna put the side panel piece back on. Alrighty, so we've connected the line sets, we've opened the valves, the air handler is already mounted inside, and a licensed electrician has already installed a disconnect box, so I'm gonna power this thing up, we'll go inside and turn it on. Now that we have everything hooked up, it's time to turn the system on and enjoy high performance heating and cooling for years to come.